It's a good thing to think about getting a dog first aid kit for your home so that you can actually administer some first aid in any circumstances that may arise. A first aid kit would comprise of things like a pair of tweezers. You've also got a pair of blunt-ended scissors for cutting up bandaging materials. The bandage materials you could have is like a melanin dressing, which you can get within any chemist. That would be just to put on the wound first. Then you can get a little bit of soft ban or some cotton wool, something just to add as a protective layer to cushion the bandage. The next layer would be something like some vet wrap or a crepe bandage just to put over. It's the actual protective layer at the very end. You can also use things like some cotton pads or cotton wool. This again would help cleaning if you need to clean any wounds out. You can get your first aid kits from normal pet shops, and this will include everything that you need to use within the household. We commonly get phone calls from owners worried that their dog's been stung by a wasp or a bee, so I'm just going to explain how you can actually help that. What you need to do, if it's a bee sting, you need to use the bicarbonate of soda solution, so just dilute it with some warm water because this neutralises the sting. The bees actually have an acidic sting. For wasp stings, their sting is quite alkaline, so you need to use an acidic solution, so vinegar is good for this. Again, just dilute it with some warm water and then just apply it to the area, and this just basically neutralises the sting and just helps ease the discomfort. What you also need to be aware of is sometimes the animals can go into an anaphylactic shock where they can't breathe properly and they're very distressed and they're swelling up quite a lot, so you need to make sure that you contact the vet if this does happen.